Hello, my name is Raden Rosa Setrawiguna. At this moment, I want to tell a story about individual personal-based leadership project. PT Pertamina EP, as one of subsidiary of PT Pertamina Persero, realized its activity as the leading sector in upstream business to produce oil and gas. As the operator of production oil and gas company in Indonesia, PT Pertamina EP run the state rules as production sharing contract, which is supervised under SKK Migas as the government representatives. PT Pertamina EP relies on its business to the drilling activity, both to improving the production daily rate and exploration drilling to find new oil and gas reserves. In this case, specifically, we'll explain drilling well activity in development and production phase. Development drilling well is the core business in Pertamina EP to maintain and to improve the oil and gas production target that be given by the stakeholders. Kalimantan Island, as one of the largest island in Indonesia that contain with many natural resources. It has a large number of oil and gas reserve in Indonesia. As well, currently one of the biggest contributor to national oil and gas production. Furthermore, Kalimantan also had the biggest coal reserve in Indonesia within 14.9 billion ton. Every oil and gas company in Indonesia has a working area boundary to carry out the exploration and production process called the working area. Coal mining companies also have a mine working area boundary called mining concession. The working area boundaries are based on the surface land level. Both oil and coal mining work to produce natural resources materials that are subsurface level. This typical process makes it inevitable that there are overlapping working boundaries between oil and coal working area. One of the cases was between PT Pertamina EP and PT XYZ. PT XYZ was one of the biggest coal exploration and exploitation company in Indonesia. In January 2019, I'm appointed by the exploitation senior manager as a team leader of a task force project team related to subject of collective land use agreement between PT Pertamina EP and PT XYZ. There is a joint project team scheme between PT Pertamina EP and PT XYZ that would work together to solve the overlapping working area. PT Pertamina EP and PT XYZ will join together in financing replacement development well. Meanwhile, PT XYZ will be permitted to exploit the coal reserves that exist in the overlap working area with PT Pertamina EP. The project goal is to drill 5 development wells in East Kalimantan area. The project team start in January 2019 and targeted to ready for the first drilling well executed in January 2020. The challenge of this team project is the limited time available that only limited for 2 years from the preparation until the final process of closing document project, which is in December 2020 should be finished. And another challenge is to make the budget project more effective and efficient. In the joint project team between PT Pertamina EP and PT XYZ, there will be 2 teams. The first team is technical team and the second one is project financial team. Inside PT Pertamina EP, which take responsibility for the technical assessment for selecting the new development drilling well, led by the general manager. Under the general manager, there is an exploitation senior manager that will supervise the project flow. Under the exploitation senior manager, there is a technical team leader position that will lead the operational and technical process of the replacement drilling well from the land preparation, drilling process, and providing the production facilities. Under my team, there are 6 cross-functions involved, divided into exploitation, drilling operation, legal and relation, supply chain, surface facilities, and health safety environment. Total members in the team project that I lead were 12 people. As a team leader, my personal value from the priority are achievement and teamwork oriented. Another values are responsibility, honesty and integrity, quality, and communication. But Meanwhile, in order to deliver the project goals with cross-function with their own priority target and combined with multi-character team member, I used to approach commanding and pace-setting leadership style. I need to manage the administrative document related to drilling preparation, such as contract for integrated project management drilling, surface and land preparation, legal permit, and authorization for expenditure that should be approved by SKK Migas. From the early project started, I make a meeting with all of the team members to inform and describe the project goals, project schedule, and explain to them the responsibility of each function to ensure that every team member are well contributed and aligned with the project team goals, because the on-time schedule will depend on each function finish their own responsibility. To challenge the process, every step preparation until the execution, I routinely make a progress report meeting that held twice a month. In the progress report meeting, each function explained to me what is the progress and what is the obstacle that need to be decided for the way out soon, in order there will be not to be delay. All of the action that already executed or still be pending item documented in a minutes of meeting that delivered to all function and the management so that can be monitored together. By the time of process, the team project usually face an obstacle. For several times, there are some team members who have an innovative way out solution that can break the deadlock for the management. I usually give the team member who have a breakthrough idea a chance to directly deliver in a simple presentation to the management when there is a meeting with the board, so that can help the board also to make a further decision in the project. I learned many things about new experiences outside of my background as a geologist. As a team leader that should maintain not only internal PT Pertamina EP coordination with cross-function team such as legal, supply chain, and drilling, but also with external team with PT XYZ to ensure that the project will be delivered on time and on budget. There are some opportunities that I had learned about contract preparation and procedures, budget management, and cost allocation scheme, permit relations, and the most important things is I gained so much connection outside PT Pertamina EP, such as with PT XYZ, SKK Migas, and Dirjen Migas. After the preparation, until it is finally the drilling well project executed in January 2020, the results were very satisfied with the initial production of 350 barrels oil per day. For the information, each new well targeted can producing 200 barrels oil per day. Until the last well finally drilled in June 2020, which is resulted 300 barrels oil per day, all of the team that are involved are very pleased with the result, and some of them got acknowledgement from the management. This project comes such an honor for me, because every person in team member feel their own responsibility as a company's responsibility. They always respect me, even some of them were older than me. All of the hard work, up and down process during contract preparation, budgeting management, land clearing obstacle, finally overturned with the oil well production reached 140% over the target in average. That was an incredible. Thank you.